guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So this is a long-awaited tutorial. I'm about to do a review or tutorial on the Pat McGrath Foundation. Yes, now this is supposed to be the Sublime Foundation. It says it nourishes skin and formulates and crafted with a serum that's supposed to give your skin a beautiful look. So if you are looking to see what the Pat McGrath Foundation look like, then this video will be for you. Stay tuned and watch this tutorial. So this foundation is supposedly said to be in the making for 3 decades. So 3 decades this foundation has been in the making. So I cannot wait to see what it looked like on my skin. Now it's designed to help to fight imperfection and wrinkles. And I do have a couple wrinkles, yes. So I'm looking forward for those wrinkles to disappear. Now she has released 36 shades. So she has light, medium, medium, and deep, deep. Yes, 36 shade. It's self-setting. It's supposed to post-perfection, long wearing, satin finish, all day long. That's all the claims. So let's put this foundation to the test. All right? All right, so you guys know, as I always do, I get a sample. Now the shade that they said, now we're not sure that's what my shade is a PM Deep 31. The PM Deep 31, and of course they just give you the amount just to give you one look. So we're gonna go in and do this look and see what it looks like. All right, so there's 2 primer that I will be using. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm going to also go in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer and prime my face. And of course, I'm going to be setting that also because I want my skin to look matte throughout the day, and I do not know how this foundation is. A matter of fact, you know what? Let me change that primer. I am going in with the Milk Primer. I did pick up a sample, and I should get a full size today. So I am going to use the Milk Primer because it's set to give you more a mattified look, and I do want to have my face looking really matte. So I'm going to put the Milk like right in my trouble spots, which is nearly all over my skin, guys. All right. Now with the Milk Primer, it's set to let it sit and dry for a couple seconds. So I'm going to give it that time to dry down where it becomes tacky, where the foundation will just glide on. So that is a swatch. And as you can see, it's very red. So I don't think this is my correct shade. And this is why it's very important to go in and get a sample, because this foundation costs, I think, around $67, if not more. So just imagine if I had gotten that bottle, I would have been really pissed off right now. But as you guys know, we can always fix this, right? Okay, so let's blend this out. Okay, apart from it being really not my skin tone, as you can see from my neck, my neck is a little yellow than this, and I like to match my face with my neck. So this is very red. Apart from that, it's a very lightweight, as it says. I'm not getting the full coverage that I need. Of course, you need a lot to build up to make sure you get that coverage, because I have so many visitors on my face. I am having a major breakout. Not sure what I did in my diet causing this major breakout, but we're just gonna have to go with whatever is going on, right? Yeah. So let's finish blend this out and see how I'm gonna fix it. a claim as a satin finish. It does. But I'm looking for coverage. Coverage. Alright, so this is the finished look somewhat. I'm still doing under my eyes. And I must say, did y'all think I fixed this foundation very well? Yes. I love it. Look at that. Yeah. So yes, the Pat McGrath foundation, if you do get the wrong shade, of course you can fix it by using your concealer to contour and bronze up your face. So yes, I love the foundation. I will definitely purchase the largest size. I think it's in the right category comparing to the Lancome. And since it's in a higher bracket than the Lancome. So that's all I have, guys. The Pat McGrath foundation. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, guys.